So originally today I was gonna play Finances Treasure Island, but in Roblox again, cause the actual creator they're self-texting me 20, basically 30 minutes ago, and I was like, okay, I gotta play the final update, but no. Apparently, while I was just looking in Roblox, apparently Help One I got a vent repair update, so now I just gotta play this game again. Oh, well, I guess I have to play this game now. There is no new badges, so that's something. So I just played this game 2 weeks ago, I think. 2 weeks ago? One? I don't know. Yippee-ki-yay, oh Foxy's back there. Well, on the play. And apparently for the game standards, I got every single item, but I'm not sure if the creator added new items or not. Well, yep, there's vent repairs. I'm curious. Alright, okay. Fine. Before I start anything, let me see if there's new animatronics. Oops. Alright, and doop. Let me see. Nothing over here. What about over here? Also nothing. No updates. Not even a plush baby. That's just depressing. Well, I mean, we got vent repairs. Oh, never mind.
But it almost never made it to market. The first development team had a lot of problems, made some sloppy mistakes, and was eventually pulled from the project. For that reason, we recommend that you avoid any comments, notes, or warnings that may have been left behind by previous development teams. We assure you that they are wholly untrustworthy.
Okay. Okay. I think I'm ready. Whoa. Ooh. Cool.
Welcome to Vent Repair. Fazbear
Oh,
Entertainment prides itself on having the most comfortable facilities. Each facility is set to a perfect 72 degrees all the time. The four active indicator lights mean we have a well-functioning ventilation system. Your headlamp should protect you from any critters who may have stumbled into the ducts. As a certified vent technician, you should need no instruction. However, in case of an emergency, it is important to remember that as the vent technician, you should never use...
Alright. Oh god, it's pitch black. It's dark. Not even clicking the... There's the Mangle. Wow. Alright. Oh, lever. Oh, hey, wait, get back. Hey, you. Alright, and then that. Oh, no. What? Remember Jeremy? Who's that? Alright, here we go again. No endo.
Welcome to Vent Repair.
Yep. Do. Ooh, pitch black, scaredy. Alright. Ooh. Alright, there we go. And bam! Alright, get away, Mangle. You sneaky fox. Alright. Look. Ah, no. No. What do you mean by look? Oh, purple coin. Purple coin. No, you get back. I got a purple coin. I didn't even know there was a purple coin right there. Well, okay, that's cool. Steam. You, good, crank. Crank. Get away. Crank. Where is it? The nose. What side? You, get back. Where? Oh, lever. No. Okay, vent. Look. Blue. Red. Yeah. It starts with green. Blue, red, yellow. Yes, I actually guessed it right. No. Where? I can't. Why is it pitch black? Oh, Jesus. I did it. I beat the Mangle.
Good job.
Second try.
Next time.
Wait a minute, am I getting something else other than cake? Give me something else than cake. Please. Give me something else. Give me. Come on. Stop loading. It's gotta be something. No! Now I'm gonna get nothing but cake. Alright. Ennard. Huh. Alright.
Welcome to Circus Baby's Entertainment and Rental.
Yes.
It has been 0.
Oh, whoa, I just clipped through that so bad. Why'd I clip through that? Oh god, okay.
Motion trigger.
Yeah,
Breaker
just
room.
brought it up the thing. Alright. This side, okay. I remember this puzzle. Oh, I guessed it. Wait, you go right over there, and then.
Well done.
Alright, got that one easy. Alright, now this side. Is it this side? Hopefully. Okay, yeah. Oh, god.
Well done.
Ah, alright. Now, Ennard. Alright, Ennard, I'm ready for ya. Please don't be hard to see. Oh, no flash. Look. Oh! What? What? Okay. Where is it? I got it. No! No! Where? I can't. Okay, you. What are you? You are, okay. So now I know that one is the far left. Or right? Left. Yeah, it's my left. Alright, just completed that one again. Alright, Ennard, I'm ready for you this time. And hopefully I remember. You, okay, is that, oh my god, you're so far away. You. Okay, that. Okay, and then. You. And then, is that guy? That guy. Ha ha! Oh, 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 take that. Take that, Ennard. Alright, I wonder if I can get any coins from here. I think I can get 1 coin, or 2 coin. Is there tape? I don't think there's a tape here. Oh, that's behind me. Oh, that's the door. That's, oh, gears. Gears everywhere I see. Gears. Big gears. Why do we need big gears for vents? Gears. Alright. Oh, purple. Got it. Get the purple thing. Alright, now I need to figure out what I'm doing. Okay, you. Then you. And now, oh, that's behind me. Now give me... You. Oh, no! I'm just gonna ignore you and get that. Alright, I am remembering this puzzle. I am. And now... Okay, get big. Big or go home. Big or go home. I think you... No, it's that guy. That guy. Ha ha ha! Ah ha ha! Ah ha ha! Take that, Ennard! I figured out so fast. This is... I remember that one. That's probably the second easiest compared to other than the third. Alright. Alright, Ennard. Gonna take you down with me with a fire balloon. Oh, wow, it's red. Why it got so red? Oh, no. Oh, God, is this hell? My fingernail. This one... Oh, okay, that, okay. Alright. Bring on the challenge.
Boiler room.
Boiler room.
Well done.
Oh, that was so easy. I forgot how easy that was. God, it's pitch black. So hard to see. There you go. Let's do. Oh, Ennard. Dude. What? Wait a minute. Did I? That didn't. Oh. Okay, I got it. That took me a bit. All right, I finished. I'm still in the black pit. Aha. Click. Die. Burn. Burn, molten spaghetti. Burn, spaghettio. Burn alive. Aha. Burn. Yeah. 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 Burn, baby, burn. Oh, it's not even circus, baby. Burn, Ennard, burn. Alright, give me anything but cake. Don't give me cake. I don't want cake anymore. Please don't give me cake. I deserve better than cake. Nah. Alright, is it gonna send me to hard mangle? Hard mode mangle. That's kind of a tongue twist. Hard mode mangle. My hard mode mangle. Wah. Alright. Aha, this is the hard mode. Alright, I'm ready. I am ready for mangles. I am ready for mangles everywhere. Shout. Jesus, we're already starting. Okay, you first. And then, boom. Alright, oh, Shadow Mangle. Look, okay, you. Where? Shadow Mangle, get away. Okay, and then you. Okay, I'm starting off with easies. And then you. Alright, now the Simon Says colors. No, Mangle. Okay, it ends with red. It ends with red. Orange, red. Ah! Orange, red. Step. Okay. Great. No. Ooh, spooky. Here we go again. Here we go. Okay, get this. No. Where are you? Oh, wow, you're right in front of me, huh? Alright. Alright. Wait, can I? Button. And now I can see. You. No. Alright, you. No. I feel like I'm dealing with dogs. Okay, is everyone good? Okay, I'm gonna check. Okay, it starts with orange. It starts with orange. It ends with red. Orange, red. Blue. Nah! That's so close. Here we go again. Okay, I can't even see. Ah! Whoa! Did I fix you? Did I fix that wheel? No, I can't. Where you evil? Why they're both tagging me at the same time? Rigged. How many times did I die? Like maybe 5. Oh, it's starting to get real annoying. Alright. Click button. Button clicked. Alright, now I just gotta look around freakly. You. Okay. You. No. Wait, Mangle. Shadow Mangle. Where's top? Oh, nose. Okay. You. No. Shadow Mangle. Where is normal Mangle? Oh, this is the worst one. Oh, no. Where? Okay, I gotta look around freakily for any Mangles. Where? Where are the mangles? No. Okay, I can look. Okay, ends with red. It ends with red. Orange, blue, green. Orange, blue, green. Orange, blue, green. Orange. I cannot see. Orange, blue, green. Orange, blue, green. Orange, blue, green, red. Orange. I can't focus. Okay, do. Or now. Okay. Orange, blue, green, red. Give. No. Give me the lever. No. Yes. 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 Oh, Jesus. Yes. Oh, Jesus. That was torturement.
A perfect 72 degrees.
Yeah. What's my gift? Please don't be cake again. I earned so much more than cake. I would rather take plush baby than cake. I don't even like cake. Only like the frosting. Let me click continue. No! I'm stuck here. I'm stuck. No! Oh no. More I think about the dark rooms. Oh no. I mean, I think that's next. The dark rooms. But oh no. The plush babies will be absolutely nightmares. I mean, I know they were the hardest game in Help Wanted 1. Because it's hard with the flashlight. But I think it's going to be harder. I well, if the Wi-Fi is going to be a total nightmare, I guess I should just finish Ennard later. If the servers can, if Roblox is going to be like this. So I guess it's going to be a thank you for watching, like, subscribe, and goodbye.